All right, well, let's head over to the Home Depot, see if we can find some miscellaneous nuts and bolts to actually stick our valance together. And a lot of other bolts. Welcome back to My Yard is My Garage. I'm Bishop, and yeah, my yard is my garage. Today we're going to be working on our 1969 Charger project car. So I've got a bucket of bolts. You can see my turn signal flasher assemblies are in there that go on our valance on our Charger. So today you can kind of see that the face is off. So last episode we kind of placed our valance in there. We straightened out our radiator support. Today, hopefully, we'll have this all done. So I've got valance, grill, bumper in the garage. I don't know how to put any of this together. I don't have, well, didn't have any of the bolts, nuts, nothing for this. I have no idea what I'm doing. All right, bolts, nuts, whoa, fasteners. Let's put our turn signals together here. Good. All right, this looks better. I went back and grabbed a 1024, so 24 threads an inch. It actually seems to be working good on this. I think the other one, the 32, was not good. Oh yeah, this works a lot better. All right, let me go get a 1024 and see how that works. Oh, that's going to be good. All right, so I'll have to go back to Home Depot, get myself some 1024 3/4 inch. Let's go do that. Meanwhile, I'm just going to clear the rest of these threads out with my 1024. All right, so we have these two, which I have used my thread cutter to make a 1024 out of these. and that's a number 10 thickness and 24 threads an inch. So not super coarse, kind of in the middle. Fine would be 32. And so I'm going to be using the same one to wallow out these and make sure these are at 1024 as well. I know some of you are probably cringing because you're like, oh my god, why don't you just do like the originals? But you know what? I don't have the originals. I don't know what size they are. I can't find them, and so I'm just going to make it work. Yeah, that's working good. So you go tight, back it off a half, half, back off a half, half, half forward, back off a half, 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 back off a half, half, back off. There we go. Yep, you get the idea. All right, good threads. Fresh from our thread cutting. That so this ear here on top. Nice, fits good. Good solid thread. Alright, that looks good. Now we just should put a bulb in here first. Maybe. Actually, I need to make a gasket for the inside of this, and I'll do that with the other one. Out of foam. Because I don't want to put this on here without a gasket. Well, maybe just for looks. What do you think? Just going to put just a spritz WD-40 in there, which stands for water displacement 40. Alright. It's always a guess which is the shallow one. Alright, looks good. There we go. Orange light bulb. Alright, so lens, an old one, dirty. I'll clean it up. You'll notice maybe this one says R for right. Not sure you can see that. There you go. Right, R. So right is the passenger side. This here is the driver's side. So I need the other. It's in the house. That's fine. We'll just kind of see what this looks like in here. Oh, it's going to be a tight fit. Now let's go get the other one. Oh, let's put this bolt in first. Alright, so I'm using a 1030 1-inch along with a stainless steel 1/4-inch washer and a number 10 stainless bolt. So we'll just get through here. Settle down. Going to put on the washer. Then we're going to put on a lock washer. Hopefully this won't be a nightmare to take off at some point if I have to change these. Alright. Solid. Today we're going to be using some 1157As, which are the dual post orange ones, which which is what this called for way back when, and you can still repeat. Alright, so this one, you can tell, still has the rubber gasket, so I'm going to need to take this off and make a template out of it at some point. But let's go ahead and install this for now. Now, I could have reused the originals on this side, but I didn't. Before I get this too tight, I'm going to go ahead and put that bolt through. So again, we grab our 1032 3/4 inch locking washer, flat washer, and we need a nut. And a nut. All right, good deal. Bulb. Oh yeah. We need our WD-40. You really should be using a dielectric grease for this. Provides lubrication, and it also keeps water out and doesn't, it's not a conductor. Let's see which is which. Oh, it's like a USB. Alright, long ones are here, so that's the long side. There we go, bulb in. You can see the filaments are this way too, that's kind of cool. Alright, let's see what it looks like with a lens on. This would be the right side. So we grab our lens, it says R on it. Good. And of course I don't have 1024 3/4 inch. But hey. Ta-da! Yep. It's gonna look good. Need to clean this. Oh, well, and screw this the rest of the way down. See, that's what I meant to say. Is to make sure this bolt up here is done and solid, and then cinch these down. Then your holes will line up just fine. All right, done. Hey there, thank you for coming by My Yard is My Garage. I'm Bishop, and my yard is my garage and continues to be my garage. We finished our valance for our project, and it is coming along great. So excited about this. Our 69 Charger is really starting to come together, at least with its face. I was going to put the valance along with the grill install all in the same video, but you know what? Let's not sit around for 45 minutes together and watch that. No, let's just break that up. So, in the next video, we'll put all that together. Thanks again for coming by. Hit subscribe if you want to see more of this. And I thank you again. We'll see you next time. Bye.
Question is, what animal are they looking for? A sheep, a horse, a bull, or a goat?
And Anthony, that is the very question that we posed to you on this very airwaves. Let's start with, well, you and Detailed Smith, both of you. Make the bull. It was not